Hey, Cake Nistas, it's Marisha. Happy Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving.
We're spending our Thanksgiving at Cracker Barrel.
For the first time when nobody's cooking.
Yeah, well, I cooked.
I mean, we're still cooking, but...
Because baby's gonna cook. So, join us for Thanksgiving. Let's go. Let's go inside. I never come to Cracker Barrel. Ew, it's Christmas. It looks dark. Is it because I have sunglasses on? Oh, I saw those last year and I wanted one. They were in the exact same place. It's cute. Oh, that's a good time. I want one. It's one big Snickers. I've been seeing those big Snickers around. They run between $16 and $20. And I just have to get my hands on one because I can just imagine slicing that bad boy and putting a slice of Snickers on a cupcake, baking with it. This is so pretty. I love glitter and sparkles. Oh my goodness. So we are the first ones here. We're just waiting for the rest of the family. It's just 5 of us. It's always been fabulous 5 until a couple got married. But it is the original 5 today. Oh, I gotta get this for my aunt. I love a moon pie. That's one of my favorite snacks.
Pushing tables together for us now.
Hi. I said hi and nobody responded, but it's okay. Happy Thanksgiving. I thought you worked here. I was like, oh, when you said, did you? Oh yeah. What a fox. Hi, you look nice.
You look nice.
Your hair looks great. You look nice. Look at the fried turkey. It's pretty good. I didn't order the mac and cheese, but that's what I got. I'm not crazy about it. I have to try this. This looks pretty good. I ate an egg and a biscuit so far, and that pretty much filled me up. Mommy's got meatloaf. My mom's got the regular turkey, and she's really liking it. It's quite surprising, actually. Let me back up. Goodness gracious. The turkey is actually very juicy, very, very flavorful, and I usually don't like gravy, but this is really good. It comes with cranberry sauce on the side, and it's all pretty good. And I got a blackberry iced tea. I haven't tried the string beans yet. Oh, here. Corn muffins. So the mac and cheese tasted like buttered noodles with essence of cheese, and the sweet potatoes tasted like a sweet potato with a brown sugar cornstarch gravy and soggy pecan. So I was very happy to not be tempted to eat those 2 carbs. My mommy's wok is everything, by the way. Okay. Oh my. Oh yeah, how much are those here? $8.99.
They got a sugar-free one.
Good. The pies. I think I'm gonna get a pecan pie. That's why I gotta say. They have all the candy. Man. Oh, I don't like those. 4 Reese's for $1. You don't see that anymore. Oh, they have ginger beer. I wish they had sugar free. Look at this. It's the SpongeBob pan. I love it. It's the SpongeBob pancake pan.
Oh, that's good.
Say happy Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving.
Thanks. This would be a nice picture. I'm in love with the ornaments. Are we doing pink and white again? It's so weird that I said that because we've never done a pink and white Christmas tree. Oh my goodness. Oh, this is huge. I love this. This would be pretty. I'm so cool. That is gorgeous. So in case you've never been to Cracker Barrel before, their shop is the highlight, in my opinion. Every generation can find this shop to be nostalgic.
This looks good.
So I'm at Acme now. We're at Acme. We just left Cracker Barrel. Can you believe I'm buying a pie? Just made it home. My turkey has been cooking slowly for 8 hours. Look at my food. That is mac and cheese. And it's with smoked Gouda. That makes the best mac. And some sharp cheddar. And it was actually that Cheetos mac and cheese. So I did put a little bit of the powder in there. Just where to go. Just to see what that would be like. So that's why it's a little bit orange. Check that out. My sweet potatoes. They actually have pineapple because we didn't get mandarin oranges. And I made the caramel sauce. A lot of nutmeg and cinnamon. Looks good. Looks
and I
good.
also noticed how you made your own divider.
I sure did, so I could use one pan. So I
Very
basically made a
smart.
quarter pan.
Yes.
And then over here, I just did the gravy, the turkey, and the roasted rosemary potatoes. I took the spine out the bottom of the turkey so that I could put stuffing in the turkey and nicely cross the legs. And I don't know, I just didn't want to worry about a back. So there's no ribs, no spine. And that's it. It was slow cooking for the past 8 hours in the oven at 325. And mommy made the vegetables. What is that?
That's greens and cabbage.
Greens, cabbage, and bacon.
Yep.
So we're gonna make our plates and sit down and enjoy crispy skin.
Nice. Okay, and recording.
Let's do this.
Wow.
So they have to be directly
Like closer together?
together in front.
Almost.